Hi everyone, my name is Jasmine.
And I'm Juliet. So today we're doing a product spotlight on the powerhouse spice known as turmeric. So turmeric is a flowering plant that belongs to the ginger family. It is scientifically called curcuma longa, and it is native to the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia.
Turmeric has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine as well as its common use for flavoring food. So this popular root is steam distilled into an essential oil and is often used for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties.
So when it's diffused or inhaled, it helps with stress relief. The warm aroma of turmeric adds a great spicy note to any blend. It is specific for those blends with detoxing, inflammation, massage, and balancing in mind. It's wonderful.
Yes, and did you know that turmeric is often used as a natural dye due to its orange and yellow color?
I did not.
Yeah, it's one of the awesome benefits of this amazing spice.
I love it. And I also love that we use turmeric in our turmeric herbal soap. It is formulated with both the turmeric essential oil and organic turmeric powder. So together they gently cleanse all skin types, and turmeric's natural bioactive compounds have a powerful antiseptic and antibacterial quality that help restore, protect, and balance all skin types.
That is true. So the powder does help gently exfoliate the skin, leaving it smooth, healthy, and gives it a youthful glow. And so the soap can be used on both your face and your body, and it won't strip your skin of its natural oils, and it won't leave you feeling dry or tight.
One of my favorite benefits of turmeric is its acne-fighting properties. It's a natural antiseptic, which means it keeps bacteria from spreading. So it works wonderful.
Yes. When it comes to using turmeric on the skin, it does deeply hydrate and revitalize dry and dehydrated skin. And it naturally removes dead skin cells, leaving you with a healthy, youthful glow.
Yeah, so if you do have conditions like psoriasis, the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric will help with those flares by keeping them controlled once they do happen.
So there are so many wonderful benefits of using turmeric, and hopefully you've learned a new one today.
Let us know in the comments your favorite way of using turmeric.
We appreciate you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.